Though the monsoon brings a cool, rainy and a surprisingly refreshing break from the summer's heat, it also brings with it sticky humidity which can make dealing with our hair a dreadful task. I'm Roslyn and welcome to Beauty Guide with Myntra. Today I'll be sharing some useful hacks and tricks that are specially designed to wick away all greasiness and keep your hair oil-free this season. I live a very busy life and washing my hair regularly in this climate is downright impossible. So I found a perfect solution: blotting papers. Yes, you heard that right. Just like how blotting paper can be used to blot oil from your face, it can also be used to absorb oil from your scalp. All you've got to do is part your hair in a few sections and run a blotting paper along your scalp and roots and you'll be good to go. Dry shampoo can be your best friend when you can't wash your hair too often in this rainy weather. Dry shampoos from brands like Batiste help soak up oil from your scalp without leaving it completely dry. Spray a little on your fingers and run them through your hair, focusing mainly on your roots and not your scalp. You can also spray a little on your brush and comb it through your hair to refresh your beautiful locks without drying them out. Rather than blasting your scalp with it, use dry shampoo the smart way. Now when you do shampoo your hair, it's important to use a shampoo that gently purifies and nourishes it, like the OGX Brazilian Keratin Defrizzen Shampoo. And you can get away by just washing your hair once or twice a week, which is a godsend in this weather. I also avoid using hairstyling tools and products so that my hair retains its moisture and maintains its softness. If you must, opt for a detangling serum or a leave-in conditioner to prevent your hair from getting frizzy and rough in this torrid weather. How often has this transpired? You're almost out of the door when all of a sudden you see yourself in the mirror and realize your hair is a giant grease ball. In times like these, if you do not have a can of dry shampoo handy, here's a convenient trick. Dust a little bit of translucent powder along your hair partition and onto your roots. It soaks up oil just as well as a dry shampoo does. Now we all want our hair to be on point in any weather, be it summer or monsoon. And there's a simple solution to managing your hair during the rains: hair masks. I use Toni & Guy's Damage Repair Hair Mask once a week as it repairs my hair and gives it a healthier shine. It's easy to apply. So all you ladies out there whose hair needs some serious attention, try a hair mask and see the results yourself. So to prevent yourself from looking like a grizzly bear this season, use these products to have a happy hair day every day. Also, all these life-saving products are available on Myntra. So go ahead and pick up what you need. I hope you found this video helpful. Tune in for the next episode in this series, Beauty Guide with Myntra. I'm Roslyn, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.